Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, El Janae. If this is your first time here, my name is Elle. You can call me Trish, Trishelle, Shelly, whatever you like. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and also click the notification bell to know when a new video is going to be uploaded. Now that we have that out of the way, I just would like to say Happy New Year. It's 2019. I have new things in store for this channel and for my viewers, and thank you guys for riding with me all the way through 2018. Today I'll be going over this look that I have on right now. This is my everyday go-to makeup look, and it's pretty simple. It's just foundation, highlight, contour, blush, eyeliner, mascara, oh, and cannot forget about these brows, and a little bit of lip gloss and lip liner, and go a long way. I usually do this, you know, when I go to work, going shopping, going out for brunch with friends, you know, just keeping it simple. So for all of my simple ladies out there who don't like to do too much, this is for you. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. And also I will be briefly going over the hair that I am wearing, which is from AliExpress. I purchased it from Alipearl, but we'll get into that later. So let's go get right into it. Okay, so I've already washed and cleaned and prepped my face, and now I'll be starting with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Matte Primer. And this stuff helps my makeup stay on all day long. I can even go to the gym, do a full workout, and sweat like a beast, and makeup is still popping. Then I'm just gonna go over that with the PORE Fessional primer. And here lately I have been color correcting, and I've been using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is, what color? This is the orange corrector, so it corrects any like dark spots on your face. So I use it for my bags under eye because they're a little bit darker, and then any demarcations on my face from me popping pimples. So yeah. And I'm going to blend that out with my Vasanti concealer brush. I look crazy. I picked up something new. So NYX has came out with, you know, their Can't Stop, Won't Stop line. So now they have concealers, and then they also have the setting powders and something else. I can't even remember, but I just went to the store and picked up the concealer. And right now I'm just gonna put that on my under eye. Like so. And I'm gonna use my small blender sponge. And whatever excess I have on here, I'm just gonna go over those little small spots. I will go in with my foundation today. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Almond, and then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the color F13. And then I'm just gonna use just a little bit of this because it is kind of dark, and I am a little pale right now since we are in winter. I'm gonna blend that out with my Colourpop F15 brush. Alright. That looks good to me. So in my everyday routine, I always start with my eyebrows. So that's no different than today. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So my eyebrows are pretty simple. I just use eyeshadow. eyeshadow, an angle brush, and a few squirts of water. This is a Morphe brush. I don't know the number. It came in a set, but I just spray it down with some agua. Get it damp. You don't want it wet. And I dip it into, I'm using the Perception palette, and I use the color Played Out. And then also I dip from another palette. It's the Smoky palette from Coastal Scents, and I use the black color in here. So I always dip it in brown first, and then black. And then I make sure that my angle brush is pretty thin, so that way I can get hair-like strokes. And before we do that, I need to comb these bad boys. And then what I do is I don't start at the very beginning of my eyebrow. I kind of start like midway, and I just follow my natural arch. Like so. And then I go ahead and fill in from the tail of my eyebrow to just about the head of my eyebrow. And then I go ahead and fill in at the top because most of the product has already been used. And so I like my eyebrows to have like a natural fade, you can say. I don't want my eyebrow to be dark throughout the entire brow, if that makes sense. So, and then once I get to the top, I go ahead and do the hair-like strokes, going in the same direction of my eyebrow hair. And voila, I have the almost perfect brow. In my mind, I do. And then just repeat that on the other eye. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the highlight and contouring. I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color, I don't know, neutral tan. I'm just gonna add that under my eye, like so. Down the mustache area, down the midpoint of my nose, and my forehead. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And go ahead and set that. And I don't bake or, you know, leave it on for a long time. I just press it into the skin. Now I'm just gonna contour my face. I just made a mess. Oh my god. And I'm using, once again, NYX. This is the HD Studio Photogenic concealer. This is the color Cocoa. I have setting powder all over my hand. I'm just gonna contour my nose. And I just do 1, 2, 3 dot here, 1, 2, 3 dot there, dot, dot, and a small dot. And I use this small rounded brush. It fits the curve of my nose perfectly and just the right amount of width there. So this is what I use to blend out my contour. So I just drag it down. And then I blend up into my eyebrow. You just want to follow, you know, the natural curves of your face, your bone structure, and that's how you get a real natural look. Without it, you know, looking too fake. I'm gonna use this bronzer for the rest of my contouring. And it's from the Balm Cosmetics. It's called Take Home the Bronze. And you just want to go with your natural bone structure once again. So right underneath that cheekbone. And I just put a little on my forehead because my forehead is kind of big. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyeliner. Sorry if I'm all up in the camera, but I have a mirror right here, so. And this is, what is this? This is from MAC, and this is Definely Black. Since this is an everyday look, I do not wear lashes every day. I don't know if I'll put any on, but right now I'm just gonna prime them with the L'Oreal Voluminous primer. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If not, don't judge me. And I'm just gonna let that set and dry. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and add my blush, which is from MAC Cosmetics. This is the color Sweet as Cocoa. Now I'm just going to do, use a highlighter. This one is from Colourpop. This is Pose. This is one of my faves as well. It's like a rose gold type color, so it has subtle pink color to it. And then I'm going to do some right down the bridge of my nose. You can also use your finger, but I prefer this brush. Now, this is the Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. And I usually do about 2 layers of mascara, so I'm gonna let that set. But I am lining my lips with the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Bittersweet. And I'm just gonna go over with a gloss. So now let's move on to this hair. So this hair I purchased a while back from AliExpress, and it came from the store Alipearl, and I had gotten it's a 14-inch lace closure, and I got 3 bundles. It came as a package deal, 3 bundles. So I got a 16 and 2 18-inch bundles. And I did make it out of a wig. So right now it's glued down. I used the Ghost Bond glue for the lace frontal. I didn't record a video for it, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't because this wig came out perfect, actually. I made a wig before, and so my measurements were a little off. But this one has come out perfect. I love it. This hair is great. I did color the front of it. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's not blonde. It's just like a subtle brown color, and I only did like the fringe part or bang part for a nice little highlight in the front. But yeah. So shout out to Alipearl hair. This hair is wonderful, and I'm loving it. I would definitely be ordering from them again. I've been wearing it for about a week and a half now. And yeah, I've gotten so many compliments. I'm in love with it. I can't stay out the mirror. But I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. So I have my flat iron from Hot Tools. And I'm just gonna set it on 410 degrees. Let me brush it out a little bit here. Find a little part that I made the other day. So I'm pretty lazy when it comes to like curling my hair. I just grab chunks and go. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the other side and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, and here is the finished look. I curled the rest of my hair. Came out pretty darn good. Got my bang popping. I did forget to put on my setting spray, so I will do that now. And I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. So refreshing. So yeah, that is it. This is my everyday go-to look. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below in the comment box. I will list everything in the description box that I used today on my face. I will also put a link down to where you can purchase this hair. It was pretty inexpensive. But yes, like, share, and subscribe this video. And don't forget to subscribe to El Janae and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and deuces.